Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V15 sounds like it's about to explode, you're not alone. This alarming noise can be caused by a faulty motor or a blockage in the system. Ignoring these sounds can lead to further damage, and may even render your vacuum unusable if not addressed promptly. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix it yourself. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and some patience. Start by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged for safety. To open the device, locate the screws at the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing off the main body. Be cautious of any clips that may be holding the casing in place. Now, with the casing removed, you'll want to identify the motor. The motor is usually situated near the center of the machine, connected by a few wires and screws. Make sure to disconnect the power cables carefully, noting their original positions for reassembly. To extract the faulty motor, remove the screw securing it in place. Apply gentle but firm pressure as you unscrew to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are out, you can lift the motor out of the housing. Place the new motor into the same position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, tightening them firmly without overdoing it, as this could damage the new motor. Reconnect the power cables, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight. With the new motor in place, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully replace the casing, making sure all clips are secured, and replace the screws at the base. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson V15 and give it a test run. If it's running smoothly without any strange noises, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from returning, ensure you regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Regular maintenance can help extend the life of your vacuum and prevent future issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.